According to the studies, it takes 18 months for you to establish and earn the trust of the people in social media. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I will gonna share with you what are the advantages of doing internet business, specifically Facebook. And internet is the biggest opportunity right now. So this is the best time to really make a foundation on what business or what kind of platform you really want to promote in the future. According to the studies, it takes 18 months for you to establish and earn the trust of the people in social media. That's why if you are struggling with your business or whatever you are going through to vlogging or YouTube, you have to be patient because everything takes time and everything will be worthwhile once everything becomes successful. So here are the things that I would like to share with you. Why is it this is the best time to take the opportunity in online selling? Reason number one will be online selling is very practical nowadays. If you compare it to the previous businesses, you really need to open up a building, establishments, and things like that, which will take a while for you and will take so much money off you in order for you to start a business. So this is the right time for you to take all the opportunity to upload everything. And Facebook is the best and cheapest platform because you can post everything for free. Number two reason is that you can post all your products through the marketplace, wherein you just need to post to the multiple business groups wherein you can showcase your products. And actually, we grossly underestimate the power of internet. By one post, we can reach to the place where we want to go, different cities, neighboring cities. So it's very easy for you to market the whatever products that you are selling on Facebook. So to those aspiring business people or whatever business that you really want to have, I want to give you an insights of how to really sustain in the market or how to really get the attention of those consumers. That's why, guys, do not really feel like the whole market is already saturated, because it is not yet saturated. You still have time to start up whatever passion that you really want to start up with, or you can start launching whatever business that you really want to do, because the market look saturated, but actually it is not yet. And a lot of internet platform right now become or turn out to be a money incubator. So it's just up to us how we're gonna maximize or make the most out of it for us to earn. To those people who have started their business or to those company who are startups, do not be discouraged if you feel like your business hasn't been noticed by the people yet, because 99% of the business right now in the internet considered as fake. Why? Because they fail because they just riding on the waves of whatever trendy in the market. Like for example, when I launched this F-Skin Solution products, the first thing that I did was really to choose the things that I am really using or the products that I am really using. Then suddenly, here are some products that really came out and became trending. I don't want to drop any of those products, and here and some, and you will start to compare and think like, I would like to launch that one because it became trendy. But try to notice, guys, those products that has become trendy suddenly, it's easy for them to be dissolved in the market because it's just a matter of hype. No, those products, be careful of those products that you just want the hype. Look on the quality and the reviews as well of the products, because it really takes so much talent and skills to build an empire. So to those people who have been discouraged, like, you know, you had been doing the online selling or whatever things that you are really doing online, you felt like you start comparing yourself to those giant companies or giant entrepreneur. No, guys, because I just really realized, even I myself went through that process wherein I would like to change or to add up another product as well and to another product as well. And I just come up to my realization that I cannot build the trust of those people if I myself don't believe in the product. So what I did is to be patiently waiting and really, study well and look for another opportunities or look at a lot of ideas for me to come up how to market my products. And most of us want to be somebody else's shoes. For example, you have started up a business, like you decided to have a beauty product, then suddenly you saw this promising business or successful business that are doing dresses or something like about online. Guys, you have to be yourself. The things that you must sell are the things that you also believe in. So like with me, I really into beauty products and things like that. So you don't need to hop from one idea to another idea or to another idea, because it will cause you so much trouble. And a lot of us right now has the problem with self-awareness. We don't really know, and we really don't have the time to know ourselves. What are the things that really, make us happy or delight us? So it's very easy for you to sell something that you are already in with that thing. Like for example, dress, if you are very trendy. So if people will see that you yourself are already convinced on what you are selling, they will gonna believe you. So you also have to ask 3 questions before like posting or anything. Number 1 is, I will read it. Does it make me smile? The things that you are posting, sometimes you keep on posting and you will realize that your posts become already look so boring. So people will like just brush off all your posts and won't believe in you anymore, because the posts that you are sharing are already seems like autopilot, or you have just copy paste from the previous posts that you have. So you really have to be creative, guys, in creating captions, in creating pictures as much as possible. You ask your clients and customers to ask feedback from them and repost it, and ask a lot of customers and follow up with them, like how much or how they like the products, or what are the results of the products to their skin. The things that you are posting in Facebook, does it really make you smile? You have to ask before you post. When somebody see your post, they can really tell that they will really make you smile, because you are giving them solution to their problem. Then number 2 is that it says here that, does it add value, or did it do something to me? Like you also ask yourself, the post that you are posting, is it not too corny or too unrealistic? Make sure that the thing that you are posting is really what you are living. And number 3, does it want me to be participated? So like for example, I want to cite one of the example, like once you post a picture, from before and after, or something like on dress, like if the people will see your, because people right now are very particular on what they see. Kung ano yung nakikita nila, that's what they are gonna believe in. So make sure that the things that you are posting really makes the people like, wow, like, oh really, the product is really effective, or it looks good to her. So those are the things that you have to consider before you post something on Facebook. And also, guys, make sure to have a Facebook group, wherein at least you have at least 30 advocates who will gonna help you promote your product. So don't just make a group chat, but make a Facebook group where you can share your insights, where you can encourage them and motivate them. Okay, so I will read this quote here that because I'm following Mr. Gary V, Garyvee. So he's one of the famous Facebook marketers right now all over the world. So as I mentioned last video, guys, you really have to educate yourself in listening to your mentors, and reading books and watching some podcasts, because it will really help you be motivated on the area that you are entering. So he says, the amount of trust you earn is proportionate to the value you provide. It means trust really takes time. You cannot just post right now and be impatient after 1 month why it seems like nobody is really posting or liking or buying your products. On those period of time that the sales are down, or sometimes the people are not interested with, those are the time for you not to get discouraged or be slack and but those are the time you have to dig deeper because you have an extra time. So those are the time you have to dig deeper on how to promote your market, or to promote or market your stuffs or the products that you are selling. Make sure that those downtime, because I experienced it myself, that there are really months that the sales are not good. So instead of being discouraged and planning to give up and being depressed or being angry, why is it like that, and suddenly you will just see yourself not believing in your product anymore. Instead, convert that negative situation into a positive one, wherein you just need to study and search on Google, ask Mr. Google, or read some books in order for you, so that you can contemplate which area you have lacked and where you can improve yourself. After massive time, or after a long time of proving yourselves to those people, finally they will listen to you. So don't just give yourself like 3 months or 6 months. Give yourself at least 6 months to 1 year, because 3 months is too short to build an empire. So I would like to cite this example of a parable wherein you compare a nipa hut or a mansion. If you really want your company to be established in a longer period, or if you really want it to become a multi-million, if you look those mansion, as they have said, I'm not an engineer, but the height of the building will be the height of the foundation below. But if you just build a nipa hut, it will be as low as this. So when the storm comes, you will be easily swayed away by all the troubles and the problem that you are facing, because your foundation is not deeply rooted. So you must really educate yourself in learning, in doing the business, because nothing happens accidentally. Everything happens not for a reason, but everything that happens in life has to be intentional. You have to be intentional in working out even your relationship to your husband. You cannot be like waking up one day and just you just love him. There are times also that you don't feel like loving that person. So even in the business itself, you also feel like really want to give up and to surrender everything. But no, guys, those are the times that you really have to be humble and embrace the fact that there are so many things you really have to improve on. So these are the 3 E's that you have to consider. Is it engaging? So the post must be something like engaging to them and really convince them in order for them to buy or to have a business with you. So guys, I would like to state here that if you plant something, you can have a rice for 1 year time. But if 10 years, you can have a tree. And if 100 years, you can educate a child. So it's about educating those people. And if they keep on asking, they keep on messaging you in Facebook, it's okay, guys. Be patient. If you can afford, then hire already an admin or somebody who can assist you to do the business. Who is entertained, so it is something that makes those people get entertained by what you are posting. So you make sure that you have to spend time in thinking of the feedbacks and the videos or whatever things that you think that can really promote your business. And of course, you have to be patient. Amongst being, working hard and everything, I believe that most of us get really frustrated on not getting the result. But be patient, because a lot of us also fails. And a lot of business fails because they are really slacking and doing nothing. So instead of murmuring and being negative in all the things that is really happening to you, convert that negative or bad situation into a positive one, so that you can be successful. So guys, you don't have to worry, because a lot of business people right now in the market is going through the same issues with you. So it's okay. So this is the right time for you to grab all the opportunity in Facebook, in Instagram, in internet. This is the right time for you to build your business or whatever kind of things you're going through, because internet, you can really pour out all your passion and show what are the things that you really like. And of course, the last thing you do is you have to listen and watch videos and motivational videos such like this. Because guys, even though you have heard this from other people, you know, it's very different also that you will listen or you will hear organically from the people whom you know. So those, to my friends and to my distributors, no, just keep on hearing those motivational videos and really educate yourself in order for you to stand, because nobody will gonna help yourself except you. Nobody will gonna build your dreams. Nobody will gonna build your dreams, not your parents, not even your husband, but only you. So you really have to be strong, you really have to be positive, and you really have to help yourself in order for you to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, bye bye.